How to arrange a video pod in your event room? Here are a few hacks to adjust the view for different scenarios. Let's begin with a webinar. Your presentation dominates on the screen, but what if the essential part of the slide goes underneath your AV pod? Move it around with a simple drag and drop. Better? Guess what? Your attendees can do the same. Next, is there a better way to see other presenters while collaborating on the whiteboard? Just drag the window slightly to the left and resize it by dragging its bottom right corner. Different layout? Here you go. Would you like your audience to fully focus on the screen you are sharing? Hide your AV pod for a moment. Open the AV settings here and disable this switch. Done. This option also comes in handy when you are streaming or playing a pre-recorded event. Now, would you like to play a video for your attendees? It is a perfect moment to pin your AV pod to the right bar. Simply click this icon on the pod. Need even more room for your video? Grab this handle and click or swing it to the right side. To make sure your attendees see those changes, click on this icon and turn on the layout synchronization. Okay, but what about smaller online meetings? Whenever you enter a meeting room, the AV view is enabled. This layout focuses on you and your team. You can now choose between the views, a gallery view or a speaker's view. In a speaker's view, voice detection automatically puts the person who speaks in the center of the room. To disable this option, go to the AV settings and use this switch. Now, you can control the speaker's view manually. Excited to try it all out? Enter your event room and start playing around.